Hi, do you have this eye shape too? If yes, then come have a sit. We'll learn to do a super natural round makeup look. First, make sure you powder your eyes so that the eyeshadow will glide on more smoothly. Use a blending brush that looks like this. Pick up some light brown eyeshadow. Blend it on your hands first to reduce fallout. Now dab the color onto your eyelid. Open your eyes and make sure you get the color over the hooded part. Now blend it out using circular motions. Once again, open your eyes and make sure you blend it nicely over the hooded part. The eyeshadow should follow the curve of your eyes like this. Use a pencil brush and apply that same color onto your lower lid. This will create an almond-shaped eyes. Use a Q-tip to apply glittery eyeshadow onto your lower lid, but keep it only on the two inner thirds of your eyes. Leave the outer third blank. Pick up some dark brown eyeshadow with a soft liner brush, tap it on your hand to reduce fallout, and emphasize your eye back curve. This will help the eyes appear larger. Line your inner corner using the leftover on the brush. Pick up more color, spray it with a face mist of your choice to intensify the color, and draw a soft wing liner. Make sure you tuck your head back and connect it to your natural lash line. Now curl your lashes and apply some mascara. Focus on the outer lashes to further emphasize the almond eye shape. And we're done! If you feel like this video was helpful, please give it a like and share it to whoever you know has this eye shape and love to do makeup too. You can check out more makeup looks here and subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video.